Well, early on this Tuesday morning, we've got a potpourri of clouds to look at, so I thought I'd do a video blog on the clouds. First off, you see the beautiful sunrise in terms of the purples and the mauves that are in the sky, and that's because we got a lot of high clouds at around 24,000 feet out there. Cirrostratus and some cirrus, even some cirrocumulus trying to form today, along with a couple of long jet contrails that are out there. And that's because there is moisture moving through the upper layers in the atmosphere, and it doesn't take much moisture up there to create clouds. And along with that, warmer air is moving through the upper air portions of the atmosphere, because warmer air is always going to seek an area that is less dense. So it's kind of like if you're lying down in bed and you've got a blanket over you, just think of the surface and as well cooler air is your body with the blanket, and then the warmer air has to rise up around it. And that's where this cloud cover is coming from today. We're going to have a lot of wind out there from today, and as I kind of push around to the north, you can see the thicker clouds that are amassed there. So we're going to see some clouds. I don't really think we'll see any chance for rain today because it's so dry and the moisture base is way to the north. But you see all these high clouds that are amassed out ahead of the front. And a lot of times people will look at these jet contrails, those skinny little lines that you see across the sky, and they always think that those are chemtrails, some sort of chemical that's being emitted by the airplanes into the atmosphere to change the climate. You know, I'm a conspiracy guy, so I don't know that I necessarily discredit all those reports, but many of them are completely false. What happens in the atmosphere is that if you have upper level moisture, those jet contrails will stay around for a lot longer than they would in a standard atmosphere. So when you see them dissolve or dissipate or evaporate within 20 minutes, that's kind of a standard atmosphere. In fact, if I can get way off in the distance, you can see the jet still making that contrail. But what will happen is in an atmosphere like this, we've got upper level moisture, those jet contrails will stay around for a lot longer. So there's the cloud cover, and you can see the sun rising, bouncing off the bottoms of the clouds, which gives us a beautiful sunrise, and the same thing at sunset. But a little lesson, I suppose, a little meteorology 101 in high clouds. Take care.